Ага, немножко сюда отойду. Ага. И... Всем добрый вечер. Хочу поделиться.
Putin's soldiers now eat North Korean dog meat. North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un has sent his fighting slaves to Russia. They are to serve as cannon fodder in the costly war with Ukraine waged by Russian dictator Vladimir Putin. And with them, specialties from the Far East apparently also made their way to the front. Russian soldiers are said to have been unknowingly given cured dog meat from North Korea. There is great outrage. In various Telegram videos, Russian soldiers can be seen handling the canned goods. Nuriongi dog meat is written on them in Korean letters. Nuriongi are medium-sized dogs with brownish, short fur. This Spitz breed is a popular food dog in Korea. On the back it says, "Product exclusively for the Army of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea." So North Korean soldiers brought dog meat, and Russian soldier is not happy about it.
Отбавлено или курица, что-то среднее между говядиной и курицей.
Hello. I saw on the internet that our guys got hold of these canned goods and ate them. And our guys also got something like this from a neighboring nation. We decided to try it, but one guy thought to check. Burdo grabbed the translator and saw that it's dog meat, damn it. Meat from a damn dog, they ate it and didn't even know what they were eating. Next time check this stuff and find out what you are putting in your mouth. You better next time read this crap and find out what you're putting in your mouth.
And that's not all. Russian soldier laments that North Korean soldiers supposedly have far better living conditions. Putin's elite have somehow managed to become not just second-rate, but third-rate soldiers in their own army.
Okay, now I'll show you how they settled our friends from North Korea. Refrigerator, plasma TV. Wow, sleeping places, damn, not on the floor like us. There's a generator there, a gas stove, a kettle, and a stove. While we're knee-deep in dirt and muck, but they're nice and warm.
NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte calls for action as North Korean troops deploy to Russia's Kursk region. He warns this deepens the conflict and threatens global security. Now, we need the political commitment to continue this course in the long term. So far, our support has helped Ukraine continue the fight. But we need to do much more to change the trajectory of the conflict. We need to raise the price for Putin and his friends, the authoritarian regimes, he said.
This role of North Korea is basically illustrating how these countries work together. China, North Korea, Russia, and of course Iran. And this is more and more a threat not only to the European part of NATO, but also to the United States, because Russia is delivering the latest technology into North Korea in return for North Korean help with the war against Ukraine. And it is a threat not only to the European part of NATO, but also to the US mainland. And that means that in the Pacific and the Euro-Atlantic, but particularly also within NATO, US, Canada and the European part of NATO, we have to work together. So I look forward to sit down with Donald Trump to discuss how we can face these threats collectively, what we need to do more. And yes, part of this, and here he is absolutely right, will be that on the European side of NATO we will have to spend more, do more to make sure that we reach the capability target.
An unsuccessful attempt by Russian assault forces to attack positions of the 71st Jaeger Brigade. Ukrainian FPV first-person view drones have become a nightmare for Russian forces, and for good reason. These small, highly maneuverable drones can be piloted with extreme precision, allowing Ukrainian troops to target specific Russian positions, vehicles, and equipment with deadly accuracy. What makes FPV drones so dangerous is their ability to avoid detection and fly under radar, often operating in tight urban environments where larger drones or missiles would be ineffective. With explosives or shaped charges attached, they can strike high-value targets like artillery pieces, tanks, or supply depots, disrupting Russian logistics and command structures. Additionally, the low cost and accessibility of these drones make them a force multiplier for Ukrainian forces, allowing them to carry out persistent tactical strikes without relying on expensive or high-tech weaponry. As Russian troops face this growing threat, the inability to defend against these drones has created panic, turning what was once seen as a novelty into a key asset in modern warfare. FPV drones are proving that in today's combat, speed, agility, and precision can be just as effective as heavy artillery. 3 Russian soldiers set a civilian house on fire and stood nearby, oblivious to the approaching drone. Their use of fascist tactics, burning homes, quickly resulted in just karma. 3 Russian soldiers stand by as a Ukrainian house burns to the ground, their faces a mix of pride and indifference. They watch the flames consume the home, knowing their actions have caused this devastation. The soldiers seem unfazed, almost smug, as if the destruction is a badge of honor. For them, it's not about the lives shattered or the homes lost. It's about the menace they've unleashed, and they take twisted pride in the suffering they've caused. As they continue to watch the destruction unfold, a Ukrainian drone suddenly appears overhead, silently dropping a bomb onto their position. The explosion strikes with precision, sending the soldiers into chaos. In an instant, their arrogance turns to panic. The poetic justice of the moment is undeniable. What they had done to others is now brought upon them. The drone's strike serves as a swift reminder that karma has a way of catching up. Taiwan, with the approval of the U.S., transferred MIM-23 Hawk anti-aircraft missile systems to Ukraine to strengthen air defense. According to Tony Hu, a former representative for Raytheon in Taiwan, the transfer took place through a third party. Another attack in Kyiv. Shaheds flying extremely low near residential buildings, local media report. Reports suggest UAVs are passing just meters from high-rise buildings, complicating air defense efforts.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.